Hey guys, this is Lydia with Best Buy Metals. I wanted to introduce you guys to our July product of the month. It is the Malco 1-inch hand notching tool. This product is designed to help standing seam installers get a more consistent notch. Any of you know, standing seam requires you to notch and hem your panels. It's a small but crucial step in the installation process, and this tool makes it so much easier. So we're gonna show you two different options, the traditional way of notching your panels, and then we'll get into using the 1-inch hand notcher. All right, we're first gonna start by showing the traditional way, which you would start by making your mark at 1 inch on both sides of your panel here. And then you'll take your traditional snips and you will first come in the side there and then take your angle cut. So as you can see, it gets your snip, but not nearly as consistent as with a Malco 1-inch hand notching tool. And now for comparison, we're going to show this process now with the Malco 1-inch hand notching tool. So you'll first slide this in right next to the rib, and then you'll slide it onto your other side. And again, same process, making another V-cut there. I can personally tell you that this product is definitely worth it. In my own experience, on my own standing seam roof, I started out using the standard 10 snips. By the end of the day, I was definitely ready for something different. So I went very next morning and bought my 1-inch hand notching tool, and it definitely sped the process up, made it a much more cleaner finish. So I can tell you firsthand, this is a great product. You guys should get it while it lasts. Again, this is our July product of the month. So through the entire month of July, you'll get this product at 10% off. You can visit us at bestbuymetals.com in our shop there, or you can visit any of our 7 showrooms.